I got Junior on the camera. I got my brother Jeff right here helping me out. We changing the rear end, pulling the rear end, changing the tire on this Suzuki Volusia Intruder here. And first step is we're gonna remove the cap over here. All right. Let's see what side that is. And then we're gonna come over here. We're gonna pull the axle pin.
17.
And we're gonna remove the brakes right here. But we're gonna adjust them later, so. Got my magnet tray here. And got small parts right here, so make sure you don't lose anything. You got your spring, your washer. Gonna let that hang down. Spring, washer, the bolt. And we're gonna hope we won't lose anything. And right here you got 14 millimeters. What we're gonna do, we're gonna actually just let this hang. Bolting your washer. Bolting that washer here. We're gonna let that hang down out of our way. I like to put my stuff back together. Then get misplaced. Alright. And that's a 22 millimeter right here.
17.
You got 17 on the other side.
I don't think it's gonna turn.
Let's see. Is it turning? Yep.
Okay. Snap on the ratchet down.
This, you got
on the off. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it's broke loose. All right. Wait a minute. Got a spacer right here. Remove the nut and the washer. We got a spacer right here. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the washer. We're gonna put the nut back on, and we're gonna get our pick. Okay, you just move it. What's wrong? Okay. Around you. What we're gonna do, we got our bolt on there, and we're gonna start feeding the axle bolt in. Okay, we got it in. Yeah, so we're in. It's gonna fall off in a second. Gonna knock it in right there. Okay. Pull the spacer out. Yeah, I put it all. Let me get in here.
It's fun. It's twisting it. Is it good? Okay. Yeah,
Here, we got the axle bolt out. Okay, now what we gotta do is we're gonna pull that wheel over this way, off further. Now, okay, I'm gonna pick the back of the bike up and you roll it down. Wait a minute, if I can grab it in good
So you
spot.
want to use the jack?
Yeah,
Don't break it
yeah.
down. Use the jack. Just
I'm
hold
gonna
it.
jack it up.
Jack it on up. Jack it on up.
And that's
Let it
and we're
Now
gonna
let
let
it
it
back down.
down and we remove the wheel, rear wheel, on a Suzuki Volusia. Tire's not bad, but it do need replacing. Bearings in pretty good shape, and it's just your rear brakes.
Okay, so it is a screw. Okay.
Brakes look good. Bearings in good shape.
Set your brakes assembly down while you work on it.
Mhm.
Sit it down and run from that.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and break this down, and
Get the air out.
that's how you remove the rear tire on a Suzuki Volusia Intruder.